What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Driveway Detailer. So today's episode is going to be a little bit different. I didn't get an opportunity to wash in my cars last week because I was on vacation, but I do have something to post this week. I just wanted to make sure that I'm consistent. I ordered the new MTM's new garden hose foam cannon, the GHFC1, and it arrived while I was on vacation. So today I'm going to unbox it, and then in a couple weeks I will release a video where I test it out. I'm doing a regular detail. So stick around and let's get into it. So first off, I'd like to say sorry for this video. When I do these things, I try to add something to the detailing community, and unboxing is seriously unoriginal, but it's quick, it's easy, and it's something I can put out there. So here's the unboxing of the new GHFC1 foam cannon. So I'm actually really excited for this because I'm just a regular guy who details his cars at home. And I think there's a lot of people out there who don't have access to a foam cannon who still wants to make sure that they foam their cars to get the best results. So I'm really excited for this because MTM does a lot of high quality things. So here's the original packaging. It's a box inside of a box with some packing paper to keep it in there to make sure it doesn't get jostled or move around unnecessarily. The packaging box is pretty nice. It's clean, it's simple, it's nice. They even tape it so that the box doesn't come open in shipping or when you take it out of the box. So that's kind of nice, I guess. So here are the important bits, all of the stuff that you get inside. So from first glance, you have the bottle, a quick connect, and some instructions. But let's take a closer look. So you get quick connect. I really do like that it comes with stainless steel quick connects because my water here, it gets supremely hard. So if you're using anything other than stainless steel, it gets corroded over time. So good on MTM for including stainless steel quick connects. The next bit is the bottle. So the bottle has been redesigned. Their MTM actually makes their foam cannon, the pressure washer foam cannon. It's the 2.2 or 2.22, something like that. Original foam cannon bottles had a narrow opening, and this has a wide opening. I don't really care about that. I never really struggle with the narrow opening. But what I do like is that there's no threads on this bottle, because my very first MTM foam cannon, I cross-threaded the bottle a little bit, and so now it doesn't close right. But so I really do like the fact that there's no threading. It just kind of clips on. So next we have the nozzle. It's simple. It's a nozzle. It has a business end where all the foam and stuff comes out, a rubber tube, and the only thing that's different between your traditional foam cannon is the number system here, 0 to 5, where I'm assuming 0 is uh, less foam to water ratio, and then 5 is the most water to soap ratio to create the most foams. But that's something I'll test out when I get this going. But it seems pretty solid construction. It's all solid plastic. But like I said, we'll see how it actually works when I get it into my next detail. So there's only one thing left. It's the stainless steel male connection that goes into the female connection with a little plumber's tape. Plumber's tape is appreciated because not a lot of people. I have plumber's tape, but not a lot of people have plumber's tape to make sure that you're putting on the plumber's tape properly. So once again, good on uh, MTM for including all the hardware. And here it is, everything in the box. It's not complicated, not a lot of pieces, simple, and that's the way I like it. So that's all I have for today. Sorry it's not more compelling, but like I said, I want to make sure that I'm consistent, and there'll be better videos coming out soon. Um, because I have a whole lot of stuff planned. I just bought the Build Hambur's touchless snow foam. I have a Wheelie Clean by Duracoating. I have a CarPro's Flyby Forte that I've been waiting to put on my wife's van. I have a lot of things on the pipe, so stick around, and there will be more to come. But for now, that'll be it. My name is Josh. This has been the Driveway Detailer, and I will see you on the next one.